So what is technical analysis? Well, in simple terms, technical analysis involves studying past price movements to predict future price movements. You might have heard the saying that history doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. And this is basically what we technical traders do. We analyze how the chart has moved in the past to make predictions about the movement in the future. Technical traders use tools like charts, which are basically visual representations of price over time. We also use indicators that are basically mathematical calculations on historical data, and also patterns, which are specific shapes and configurations of the price data that can give us an indication of where the price is likely to go next. But what is the purpose of technical analysis? Well, we use technical analysis to make informed trading decisions. So let me be clear. Our goal with technical analysis is not to win every single trade. Our goal is basically to get a positive expected value, meaning that over a large amount of trades, we will make money. And we make these informed trading decisions by identifying buy and sell opportunities. And these buy and sell opportunities comes from the tools we use as technical traders. Last but definitely not least, another purpose of technical analysis is to manage risk. When we place a trade, we always want to have a target in mind, but more importantly, we always want to manage risk by setting a stop loss. So yeah, during the rest of the course, I want you guys to have this in mind. Now, when you know what technical analysis is and you know the purpose of technical analysis, now you're ready to learn about the tools to make informed, high probability trading decisions. And we are of course gonna start here with the heart of technical analysis. Alright guys, so this video was just a very short clip from our full technical analysis training course right here on YouTube. To access the full course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all in the full course very soon.